Today we will invite you to window shopping about descriptive text, namely the type of text that we often encounter in everyday life. Let me introduce myself. My name is Diyah Rizal Zalatif and I serve as the first speaker. I will introducing my members. First, there is Devina who will explain what descriptive text. Next, Meta will explain the main characteristic of this text. Next, Rifani will discuss the language structure used in descriptive text. And lastly, there are Mejia and Adnan will provide concrete example of descriptive text. Let's start the presentation. I invite Devina to introduce herself and explain the definition of descriptive text. Go ahead, Devina.
Thank you, Salsa. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Devina. Today I will explain the definition of descriptive text. Description text is a text that contains a depiction of an object, whether it is a living being, an object, a place, or an event in detail, so that the reader seems to see, hear, feel, or experience the thing described by the writer. The main purpose of the description text is to help reader from a clear and vivid picture in their minds of the object being described.
Thank you, Devina. Next, I invite Kayla to introduce herself and explain the language structure of descriptive text. Go ahead, Kayla.
Thank you, Salsa. Hello everyone, my name is Rifani Kayla Putri and today I will discuss the language structure used in descriptive text. General description text language structure. The description text structure consists of two parts, namely identification and information. The identification section contains introduction to the object to be target explained. For example, what is the object or where did that thing come from? Meanwhile, the description section contains a more specific explanation about the object is being explained. The language structure of the descriptive text is more detailed. 1. Noun. Use many nouns to name the object or subject being described. 2. Adjective. Using adjective to describe traits or characteristic object, such as color, shape, size, and condition. 3. Adverb. Use adverb to provide additional explanation about how, when, and where something happened. 4. Use of the five senses. Describe an object or situation using the description involves the five senses such as sight, hearing, smell, touch, and taste. 5. Material and relational verbs. Material verbs describe physical action carried out by object, while relational verbs show relationship between object and its characteristic. 6. Use of descriptive sentence. The sentence used more often focus on detailed explanation and description rather than action or event. 7. Objective. Even though it's subjective, descriptive text in often objects, descriptive facts or observation without personal opinion. Thank you for your attention. I'll return to Salsa.
Thank you, Kayla. Next, I invite Meta to introduce herself and explain the characteristic of descriptive text. Go ahead, Meta.
Thank you, Salsa. Hello everyone. I'm Meta Lahyuka Putri. Now I will explain the characteristic of description text. 1. A paragraph or description depicts or portrays something. 2. The described paragraph is explained very clearly in detail and involves sensory impression. 3. When the reader reads a description text, it is as if experiencing directly what is being discussed in the text. 4. Depiction or explanation of an object that becomes the topic is written in detail. And 5. description text explain the physical characteristic of an object such as shape, size, color, or physiological or mental characteristic of an object in detail. 6. The story conveyed is factual because it requires data. Thank you for your attention. I'll return to Salsa.
Thank you, Meta. Next, I invite Mejia and Adnan to introduce themselves and give example of descriptive text. Mejia and Adnan, please.
Thank you, Salsa. Hello, everyone. My name is Mejia Michael. I will pass on an example of the descriptive text. Example 1. The white tiger. The white tiger is a type of fleeing subspecies of the Bengal tiger. This is almond no orange pigmentation. It is for this reason that its fur is white and from the it derives its name. Despite the black types, it maintains its pigmentation. Regarding their size, the tiger are usually slightly longer than the orange tigers. Due to this condition, lack of pigmentation, these tigers have been classified as exotic animal and the source of predators extinction.
Hello everyone, I'm Adnan Setiapambudi. I will pass on an example of the description text. Example 2. Gunan Wildlife Park is a zootourist attraction which is located in Jalan Harsono RM number 1, Ragunan Pasar Minggu District, South Jakarta City, Special Capital Region of Jakarta. The Ragunan area has an area of about 147 hectares with more than 50,000 deers growing. Here there are recorded around with more than 2,000 animals. At Ragunan Wildlife Park, we also enjoy and use other recreational facilities such as the Smatzer Perimeter Center, a reflection park of recreational facilities to children's animal park.
Thank you, Mejia and Adnan, for the example. So, descriptive text is used to describe something in detail, so that readers can imagine in clearly the structure of the language and its characteristic help this text become more lively and interesting. And through the example present, we can see how this theory is applied practically. We hope that this explanation can help all of you to understand more deeply about descriptive text and how to apply it. Thank you to our group members who give good explanation, and thank you also to my friends who listen to the end. Sorry if there are any shortcomings. See you at another time.
Thank you for watching.